On this video today, I'm going to show you the best and the easiest way that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience, and without investing any money. This method is very simple, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the best offer that you can promote and a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the product so that you can be earning money from home as a complete beginner wherever you are in the world. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Max Bounty, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join JVZoo, you can join ClickBank, DSTO24, or any affiliate marketing network that you know. In this case, I'm using Yaxin.com. Yaxin is one of the best affiliate marketing network where you can find a lot of different offers to promote. And the best part is that the payment is within 24 hours. So if you earn money on this platform, you are going to be paid within 24 hours. There is no minimum amount that you have to earn before you can cash out. Any amount that you earn, you can cash it out within 24 hours. So just search for Yaxin.com. Once you search for it, you can be able to create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. This is my dashboard. You can see my earning. You can see this is the amount that is spending, and so far this is the amount that I've been paid. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, brands and stores, so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on brands and stores, you are going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are brands and stores that you can promote. Most of them are going to give you a percentage of the commission that you are going to earn. Others are going to give you a flat fee. For example, this one you are going to be earning a flat fee of $70 anytime you get people to purchase the product. This one right here, Shen, it is a store, so when you promote it, anytime people purchase any item on the store, you are going to be earning 15% of the price of the product. It is a big store, so they have a lot of different products that people can purchase. So once they purchase any of their products, you are going to be earning 15% of the price of the product. There are many of them. You can see this one is a store, and you are going to be earning 5% of the price of the products in the store anytime people purchase them. So as a school, you can see different stores that you can promote. This one right here, it is an offer. When you get people to purchase the product, you are going to be earning $80. This one is a store. When you get people to purchase any product on the store, you are going to be earning 2% of the price of the item that the people will purchase. You can see a whole lot of them, so just select the one that you want. The one good thing about this website is that if you want, you can be an affiliate, you can also be a shopper. So if you want to purchase the product, you can just click right here, shop to earn. Once you click on it and then make a purchase, you are going to get your cash back. So when you purchase the product, you will be able to get your cash back when you make a payment. That is one good thing about this website. You can be an affiliate, you can also be a shopper, and once you purchase the product, you can get a percentage of your cash back anytime you make the payment. There are a lot of different offers that you can promote. If you want a specific category of offers that you can promote, all that you need to do is that you have to come right here. You can see select categories, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different categories that you can find offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. They have charity, clothing and apparel, computers and accessories, consumer electronics, consumer services, COVID related, and a whole lot of different categories. As I scroll down, you can see many of them. Just select the one that you want so that you can promote offers in that category. You can see a whole lot of different categories. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting an offer under the animals and pets category. So all that you need to do is that you have to come right here. You can see animals and pet supplies. Click on it so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. All these offers are animals and pets related. You can see a whole lot of them. When you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. Just select the one that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. These are all pets and animals related, so search for the one that you want so that you can promote it from home. There's one particular product that I've been promoting, so I want to show you so that you can promote it and then earn a lot of money. The commission rate is very high, so when you get one sale, you can earn up to $200. As you can see, this is one of the products that I've been promoting, Poppy Sport. The commission rate is high. You can see $200. So anytime you get a sale, this is the amount that you are going to earn. If you want to get more information about the product, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can get more information about the product. If you also want to get your affiliate link, you can click right here, promote to earn. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You have to get people to purchase the product through this link, and you are going to be earning money. If you want more information about the product, just click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to open like this, and you can get more details about the product. You can see these are the details of the product. When you scroll down, they are going to tell you the amount that you're going to earn. You can see this is the amount that you're going to earn per sale, and this is your affiliate link. Now once you have seen your affiliate link, you have also seen the details of the product. The next step is that you have to drive traffic to your affiliate link. You have to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. There are different sources of traffic that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link. You have the free traffic source and the paid traffic source. Any of them that you want, you can use it to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. In this case, I'm going to show you a highly targeted traffic source that is free, and you can use it to get people from the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to earn money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is advertall.co.uk. advertall.co.uk. advertall.co.uk is one of the best classified ads that you can use to get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product that you are promoting. The best part is that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. Everything is free, and it does not matter the number of ads that you post on the platform. You can post as many ads as you want on this platform without paying for anything. So all that you need to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can post your ad onto this website. They have a lot of different categories that you can post your ad. You can see right here, when I click on it, you can be able to see the category that you can post your ad for free. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different categories. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of different categories. So any product that you are promoting, you can find a category on this platform to post your ad without paying for anything. You can see a whole lot of different categories. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can be able to sign up for a free account that you can use to promote your affiliate links. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post an ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down to the bottom, you can see select a category. You have to select the category of ad that you want to post onto this platform. So click on it. Once you click on it, you have to set for the specific category that you want to post your ad. You can see these are categories. Select the one that best match the product that you want to promote. So just scroll down, you can see right here pest and service. You can see pest, so you have to post it under the pest category. So click on it. That is the category that you want to post our ad. Once you select it, a button will pop up. You can see next. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see title. You have to paste the title of the product that you are promoting here. So you have to come back on yaxen.com. Once you come back, you can see pop spot. You can type something related to that, or you can just highlight and then copy this. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here as your title. Once that is done, you can see phone number or email. It is not required, but you can type your email or your phone number right here. In this case, I want to type my email. So let me type my email right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see price. So you have to type the price of the product right here. Once that is done, you can see add price and click on it and then select price. You need to enter the price, so select it. There's no negotiation, so select that. Once that is done, you have to enter the price figure here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on yaxen.com. Once you come back on yaxen.com, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the price of the product. You have to click right here, shop now, so that you can get the actual price of the product. So click on it, shop now. Once you click on it, you can be able to get the actual price of the product. Once you click on shop now, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, browse all puppies. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the different puppies and the prices. So you can see a whole lot of different breeds. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on any of them so that you can see the price. For example, let's click on this one. Once you click on it, you can see this is the price. Just highlight and copy it. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter the price, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see tags. So what you have to do is that let's remove the dollar. As you can see, that has been done. You can see tags. So what you have to do is that you have to enter some tags here. Once you type your keyword, you have to enter the comma and then continue. So you can type any keyword that you want. So just type any keyword that you want. So in this case, I'm going to type pairs. You can type as many as you want. So let's type animals. Once you enter your tag, the next step is that you have to paste the description of the offer right here. So you have to come back on yaxin.com. Once you come back on yaxin.com, you can see this is the description. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy the description, you have to come back and then paste it right here. Once you paste your description, the next step is that you have to type a call to action here, so that when people read the description, they can click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So we are going to type something like click here to visit our website, something like this. Click here to visit our website. Once that is done, you have to come back on yaxin.com. Once you come back, you have to copy your affiliate link so that you can insert it. So just click on your affiliate link. Once you click on it, it has been copied. Once you copy it, you're going to come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, you can see this icon right here, insert link. Click on it. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link here. Once you paste it, click right here, apply. As you can see, that has been done. Your affiliate link has been inserted. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see YouTube link. So if you have a YouTube video of pairs, you can paste it right here, but in this case we don't have any YouTube video link, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see England. You have to select a location. The website is available to people who live in the United Kingdom, so you can see a whole lot of different cities that you can select. Once you select one city in England, you have to scroll down so that you can select another city in London. So you can see London, select another city. Once you select another city, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down, Ireland, select another city. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see Scotland, select another city. Once that is done, you have to scroll down, Wales, select another city. Once that is done, scroll down, you can see international. If you want to target any location apart from the United Kingdom, you can do that. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to select the United States, so select that. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see location, zip code, just leave it. Once that is done, scroll down, you can see right here images. You have to upload images of the offer that you are promoting. To get images of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on the offer website and then download these images. You can see a whole lot of different images. Right click on any of them that you want to download. Once you right click on it, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save it, you can download another image. So download as many as you want. Once you download the images, come right here, click on add images. Once you click on it, select your image and then click on open so that the image can be uploaded. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. Click right here, add image, so that you can upload another image. You can see, click on, always select the image, click on open so that you can upload the image. You can see this image has been uploaded. Click on add image again. Once you click on it, select another image, click on open. As you can see, the images have been uploaded. Now you have to select the one that you want to use as your thumbnail. So let's select this one right here, set as thumbnail. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see they have different promotional options that you can select. So if you want your ad to be marked as agent, you can select it and then make the corresponding payment. You can see a whole lot of different promotional options and the amount that you have to pay. You can see this one right here. It is one of the cheapest. You are going to be paying £2.29 for 30 days if your ad is featured on the website. You can see any of these promotional options that you can afford, select it and then make the payment. In this case, you are not going to pay for anything, so just leave it and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Now you can see this is the preview of your ad. You can see everything. This is the preview of your ad. So you have to scroll down and then read all the details. You can see you are not going to be paying for anything. You can see ad listening fee is £0. You can see you are not going to be paying for anything. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then read more details of the ad that you are going to post. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link. So when people click on it, they can get access to the products and then purchase them for you to earn money. You can see your details. Once you review your details and you are satisfied with it, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see, thank you for your pages. Your order has been completed. That means your ad has been posted onto the platform. If you want to view your ad, you can see you have to click right here, view ad listing. Once you click on it, you can be able to see your ad. You can be able to see how it will appear to other people. You can see this is your ad. It has not got views yet. You can see it right here. You can see this is your ad. When you scroll down, you can see other images of your ad and many other information. So when you scroll down, you can see the cities that you selected. You can see your description and your affiliate link. So now people can find your ad and then click on your affiliate link so that they can make a purchase for you to earn money. So make sure you post as many ads as you want on this platform so that you can be making money. You can select products on Dries Pro 24 and then post them onto this website. You can select products on Yaxin and then post them on this website. You can select products on Clickbank and then post them on this website so that you can get people to purchase them for you to earn money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.